How to share someone's profile on Instagram story. If you're trying to share someone's profile on Instagram story, you first have to head over to your Instagram application and just make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you're going to have to find the account that you want to share to your story. So there are actually two methods that you can do this. So let's say if I want to share this profile right here, I'm going to tap on it, then head over to its profile. And at the top right, you have an option. Then once you tap on it, you have an option to copy profile URL. Tap on copy profile URL. And once the link has been copied, you could go back and then head over to your story section. And once you get to your story here, you can add a link. So if you go ahead and tap on stickers and then tap on link, you can paste the link that you've recently copied and then tap on done. Now it will, if someone taps on this link, it will direct them to their profile. But there is one other thing that you can do. So if I just go back here and I've come here to this profile again, I'm going to tap on this. And from here, you have an option to share this profile. Tap on this. You can share this to anyone and you can directly share this to your story as well. Tap on add to story. And as you can see here, a little profile banner will appear on your story, and then you can just post it like this. Now, if someone taps on that profile banner, they will be directed to the profile right here on Instagram. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.